welcome back to our channel. Today we are making slime. We are so excited to make slime because we love slime, and we will be posting a slime collection video, so go check that out. Now let's get on to the slime making. Okay, so we're gonna start with 1 cup of glue.
I don't need measurements.
Oh, it's heavy. Need help?
I don't need measurements.
Okay, now your turn.
I'm not measuring mine.
And make sure, I think that's enough glue because when you add your
Can you do the half cup?
shaving cream, it'll make it
Next.
worse.
So, now what? Wait, I forgot. Paint?
Shaving cream.
Shaving cream? I feel like we gotta paint first. If you're doing the long one.
Ah, done with glue.
You know what? I just thought I would take this first. I just got on one half cup.
Okay, now we'll add water. You want to add it to mine?
Can you hand me my ball? But look.
Now we're adding 1/2 cup of water.
This looks weird. See, look. This looks.
So this is what mine looks like right now. It looks like
Mine looks basically the
green
same.
juice.
Mine looks like this. Has like chunks in it. Now what? Shaving cream. Okay, put that glue on me. I'm measuring my shaving cream. The Leaning Tower shaving cream. That should be enough,
that's
right?
about 2 cups.
Another one I might need to add more.
Okay, and then mix up your glue, water, and shaving. This is gonna be a lot of slime. Look at that. Mix it up.
Shaving cream does not mix in with water.
We add our color now,
paint.
right?
Yeah.
Okay, and I'm going to use red, but I'm going to do a little bit so it's like a light red color.
Oh shit. I want to try to make like a coral, so I'm gonna do some orange and like red. Can you hand me the red? I'm trying to make a coral. But how do you like that color?
Pretty. Show the camera. Color is like a light blue.
I like that. It's shiny. But I need your help with the activator. I'm gonna get way too much because I have no idea. Okay. A little bit different.
Okay, with the activator,
I need the red again. I need a little bit more pink. Ugh. Looks so weird. I don't care how it looks. Actually, I do.
okay, mine is done.
Mine's
with
not
the
done.
color. That's what it looks like.
Red.
It's a red color.
Well, I need a little bit more.
You gotta use your hands, mix it up. Okay, now we add 4 to 5 squirts of lotion.
Oh, I thought you were gonna say pounds. This is my color. It's kind of like a pinkish orange. This is mine so far.
Nice.
Now I need the lotion. Boo, I need more.
And then use the activate from the bowl. And then 2 tablespoons of cornstarch.
I think I'm gonna have more than I wanted. Actually, that's gonna be your thing usually ends up getting really small. I need that now.
Go.
Ew. Look at this. That's a lot of slime. Me?
And we all made a little bit more slime than I think we thought we were gonna make.
I thought I was gonna make like just a little bit. Oh, cornstarch just flew at me. I hate the feeling of cornstarch.
You're gonna use a little bit more lotion.
It's starting to smell good.
Yeah, we use vanilla smelling lotion, so it smells awesome.
Got more activator.
Okay, so this is what mine looked like
I'm
before
gonna
an
wash my hands.
activator.
That's from when it was goopy and gross. Disgusting. This is my head.
Nice.
Alright,
Okay.
slime
It's
now.
time for activator.
Have I made blue slime before? What? Have I made blue slime before? No. So I use
Working. Okay, I need a little bit more.
Me too. Come on. Get up. Get off. Good one.
Gotta use my hands. Oh, glad I put my hair up.
Yeah, you would have gotten it in your hair already.
Can you add a little bit more activator, B?
Why are you asking me? You know I'm not good at this. Me too.
Just pour it.
I need some too.
That's good.
That's famous. And that's good. Ready? So this is mine. Here's me. Ew. That's a pretty color.
Oh, it's a lot. We made a lot of slime.
Once again,
Much more
need a
than
bigger
we
container.
tended to.
I feel really squished. This
Look
part
how
is
much
starting
slime
to
that
come-
is.
This isn't even all of it. I still have like oh my god, another.
That's working.
Boy, I need a little bit more activator.
Make sure you get it all up from your bowl. Like this was a lot of slime. Here's our finished slime.
I added a little bit more shaving
almost
cream
finished
because it didn't really. Mine's
We made
almost
a
finished.
lot of slime.
This is mine.
Here's mine.
Turned out this slime comes out of shirts very easily. Yeah, mine doesn't. I got some on my
It's still stuck on my hands.
I washed my hands.
I probably should do that.
Yeah, you probably should.
Oh,
I just added a little bit more. I love this. So good.
this is such nice slime.
so fluffy. Satisfying slime games. Thanks for watching.
Hope you guys enjoyed this slime video. If you want to see more videos like this, then give this video a thumbs up. And if you want a shout out in our next video, comment down below, #StakerFam, and we will give you a shout out. Thanks for watching. Bye!
I just dropped the paint. I can't. Did any get spilled? Yes.